again, GBP USD, from what I can see, I was trying to take this short twice, and once it failed, and for the second time it also failed. And then I capitulated and didn't try to catch it again. And at this point, I was probably thinking that it's very probable for the price to actually reverse, and then we are gonna see some shift in the bullish direction because we were at the 88.6 fib. But instead, we seen a slow decline, just a little bit over the previous swing low, and for the second time, another swing high, and market continued to trend in a downtrend. So we have to just be more patient and actually, having a small capital. You have to trade like this. You have to take like small chunk of the market, but it doesn't justify you not knowing the market structure, the candle flow size ratio, and overall like rules with Fibonacci retracement, because it's not simple. Like paying attention to the details actually counts. So USD USDCHF. I was looking at this without fib retracement for a while, and I thought, damn, this is not that easy. This is not going to be that easy. But as soon as I marked a fib retracement on this, I noticed simple stuff. So this was like less than 50% retracement, and the price reacted strongly to 29.2. Therefore, like, just because it bounced from 50, it wasn't a sufficient reason to go long on this. Although the direction would be correct given the trend. No, actually not. Yeah, something was shifting there, but given the trend, like the short-term trend, it was a good bias. It was a bullish bias. So swing trade, it was a bullish bias. Day trade, it was also a bullish bias. But this was a huge thing to skip, and it caused this trade to be a losing trade. I'm trying to make something out of volume profiles still. I haven't found yet a good method to simply use the volume profiles. But I think it's actually better than the normal volume. It's more intuitive in a way. So simply this one particular lack of confluence would suggest there is going to be something off expect this fib to give you opportunity to short, not long. Yeah, GBPCHF. This is starting to get sentimental almost. So I was trying to long it in a short, in a bullish market like this, counting on some pivotal point, probably. And quite stupid thing to do. What I would say, it wasn't, if this was a perfect fit, okay, then probably after this kind of like stagnation, ranging market, I would say, okay, there's a high chance we gonna see some reversal, but this wasn't the perfect fit. Additionally, it wasn't even a 61.8 fib. Only a wick touched it. Actually, no reason to go long from here. To make it even more stupid, I can flip the chart, and from there you can see like no, it was a wishful trading, calling the top or calling the bottom. Very stupid, a stupid mistake. Should be avoided. No reason actually to enter this one. Let's look at this together and let's analyze it together. So I've been trying to long Euro USD on 18th September. And why longing it if there was immediately a... Oh, I see. So I had to, I was most certainly looking at some larger scale fib. So looking at this as we should. So to the most extreme point where the price was, so at the wick of the candle. So this is our Fibonacci retracement. And let's actually get rid of those heavy triangles. What is the range of this? Oh, it goes far away. Far, far away. No, where does it go? Here. Okay, let's just make it like that. And let's make it our row size 20. It looks a lot more aesthetical right now. So we had a reaction at in the golden zone, but there wasn't actually a good candle entry because the size flow ratio of the candles was not good. It was nice try to simply trying to convince the traders that this is actually a good fib, but it wasn't, because there wasn't a... The candle should be... If the last candle in the bearish retracement was like this, then we should have this big candle for a bullish entry. but it wasn't there. So actually there was no confirmation to enter. And I entered without a proper confirmation. So entering without a proper confirmation. And if we look at the trend, and the trend line, it was actually the right approach to enter. So this trade was a tricky trade. We should be more mindful. I should be more mindful and looking for proper confirmation and pay more attention to candle size flow ratio. And for some reason, the price bounced from a VAL to VHL or VAL. Yeah, VAL. I should be probably making this more less transparent, then we would probably be more informed. So if the golden zone fails, then we can only count on volume profile. So POC or VAL or VAL VH VH, something with H at the end. I'm sorry. So the case study is such, the trend continued, and then it what is this? A huge black zone, almost. Huge black level. And the price reacted from it. Yeah, a previous high. Let's make it a little bit smaller. And besides previous high, there was also a level 50 of this current retracement, and that's why the price dropped. So because the 61.8 wasn't respected, then the price changed instead of continuing the trend. So I remember I had my theory with blue. Let's measure it again. With black triangle, with gray triangle, and with blue triangles. And the blue triangle, if I'm not wrong, it was 88.6. But instead of blue triangle, I also liked to flip the fib in a wrong way, measuring in a wrong way, and then you had this 29.2 level, which was also as you can see, it's the same as 61.8, but this is a reverse, like, mirrored. No, it's not the same. It's not the same, but it's close to it. So I had my theory with triangles, and I think I get it now. So the most important is anyway 61.8. This is a basis. If we had any distortions from that, it means that there is not going to be a easy continuation upwards, but we should be looking for some reversals. and that's it. I'm not going to teach and even um, use myself that kind of fibs with blue triangles and so, because it was only a visual help for me to actually remember what type of the movements are in the market. And actually this is the last example. So um, I'm gonna study a little bit more because I have few more losing trades to analyze, and it's going to get more sentimental. And after I finish all losing trades, I'm gonna switch to a winning trades, which is going to be also very interesting. But I want to catch all the patterns with my losing trades so that I can avoid in the future losing trades and make myself more profitable in my trading journey. So I wish you all good. Thank you for watching. And you can, if you are on YouTube or on TradingView, then you can switch from YouTube to TradingView because I'm posting those videos on YouTube as well. And thank you for watching.